Top 20 Christmas words you need to know. Joy, joy. Gift, gift. Ornament, ornament. Decorate, decorate. Carols, carols. Reindeer, reindeer. Snow, snow. Wreath, wreath. Mistletoe, mistletoe. Tradition, tradition. Snowman, snowman. Sled, sled. Joyful, joyful. Candles, candles. Tinsel, tinsel. Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve. Presents, presents. Chimney, chimney. Bells, bells. Now, answer this question. Do you like Christmas? Why? Why not? I read you. For more videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.